Yesterday the converter box died. So that night when it died, I took it apart and I plugged it in and I saw the white wire was becoming disconnected and it sparked. So I pushed it back in. I took the cord from another converter box because it was longer and I needed more length on that. So yeah, that is fixed. And one of the channels I was watching was like compressed to hell. It was like terrible for 2 days. And once I fixed this, it was better. It was a problem with the station, not the box. Had this apart to let oil soak into the bearings because one of the screws stripped and I can't get the motor apart, and the Ryobi drill is kind of hard to get the bit out. The damn thing's stuck in there. Then replace the Galaxy that is over there. To remake a few of my videos, like the one on the GE Super Radio and the GE Table Radio with this camcorder, because the audio on the phone was awful. And yeah, I'll boost the treble on this a little bit because it's kind of weird sounding. Anyways, to do a little test, I'll use the clips from the oscillating fan I scrapped because the motor was dead and the blade was chipped. So I have lots of good parts now. Maybe we could Frankenstein that one when the plastic completely crumbles. Maybe. It's really quiet. Oh. Huh, didn't do that last time. I had issues with the cord, so I cut it off and put a nice brown one on. So that's pretty cool. It matches a lot better. Got this at an estate sale. 2 of them actually, and I sold the other one. That one was kind of out of balance. This was the fan I've been using for several months in my room. I'll show you the other one that's... I'll show the one that's in there right now. After this. Got a new clock, by the way. Installed it yesterday. Yeah, the peg kept coming out, and I don't want to put stress on the clip, so I put a zip tie there. I think the spin down time improved a little bit. It used to be awful. Yeah, that's a lot better. Cool, made an improvement. Good. Use the TV light for some lighting. Better light. The socket in here is messed up, so that's why the lighting in here sucks. Anyways, the Lasco I've been using as the main fan in here. The ceiling fan hasn't been on in a year. We'll do a startup on that. Made an error in the video, said the capacitor might be bad, but they just start slow. Here's this from the Vintage Ceiling Fans site. And yeah, that's how I turn it on. When I want to put it on low, I just put it on high, then put it on low, because it starts up faster that way. This one's from 1979, or 80. Recently got the Zenith out of storage, which is on the floor over there. Yeah, this room's a mess. I need to clean it up. So yeah, the last time I recorded a video clip of this was in July, so that's probably the last time I used it. Whoops. Space Command. It's from 1989. Sold these in 1990 as well. And yeah, it's a low hour set because the picture's amazing, and the thing that gets hot because the neck of the tube is hot isn't yellowed at all, unlike the one that Spat Sparrow uploaded a video of. It was one of the hospital TVs, and it had a crap ton of hours on it, and the end of the plastic is totally baked. It's like orange.
Baked!
Oh, and the Admiral quote-unquote, or end-name only TV's down there now. I don't know if I'm gonna sell it for someone to get the tube out of it to put in an arcade chassis or a JVC set, because there's a lot of JVC sets that have this tube in it, or if I'm gonna sell it to the guy who does the TV wall stuff, who I've been selling TVs to. So yeah, I haven't decided yet. But the video on that will be out tomorrow, I guess. And I'm still recording video, working on the video of this Magnavox TV. The last part of it will be out in a few months, as well as your DTV videos I finished and moved on from, and remake videos too, some of my older ones. So that's the end of the video, for real. Thought I'd refilm this shot with this part of the video with the light on. Doesn't make it that much better, but it's better than it was.